video going. Oh, that's a good one. Let's go around that one, I think. Oh. Too much of a coat hanger. Then another one. Stick patch though. So I don't know if you're watching or I'm going to upload this or whatever. It's going to be on a second channel if I do. But this creek has, we've had a lot of rain over the past few days. So the creek's in flood. I've done it once before, I've kayaked down it. So I thought I'll give it another crack. There is a lot of coat hangers to keep an eye out for. A lot of strainers. Think we can get around that one? Remember, this top part's pretty rough. We'll just walk this bit. Not a whitewater boat, just a little old school boat since I was 12. So yeah, fairly confident. So that's a 20-year-old boat right there. I reckon we got a bit of floating here. See what that next bit looks like from here. Oh, that's a good hand. Woo! Gotta be swift. Good save. Oh, that's too much of a hanger to stave on. Across. Pick it back up. Hey, rain. This was supposed to come earlier today, but it didn't. can stick further to the right in the tongue, which we can't, it seems. Oh yes we can. And we won't get caught up in that one. We'll be way laughing again. There we go. Touching the ground. That's what I expected. So this riverbed is dry most of the year, apart from when we have big rain events come through. Let's get into tongue, let's get in the tongue. Okay. When we have big rain events, oh, that's not a nice looking one. It gets deeper. And we're out again. Gets nicer the further down you go. It's a nice looking eddy there though. Again. What do you reckon? We can avoid that one? We'll go around this. We won't be able to avoid that one. All good. Yeah, this will be like this, but still. Yep, there's good. Still good fun. Oh, it's a nice run though. Nice rapid. Run. Then you end up Blackberry. Yeah, pass. Nice run though, that'll be fun. Yeah, there'd be no avoiding that. Alright, straight into the fence. I forgot to start kayak. Oops. Bottom out. Oh, didn't really want to go past that. Back up. I probably could have got past that one actually. Oh well. Open up the next one. Been too short to float. That would be nice if it weren't for the tree on entry. On entry. Very nice. I'm thinking we can get on this side. They're gonna do it. Yeah. Just don't want to end up in there. That good bit of room. Probably not particularly exciting for anyone. Maybe I'll water. Bloody blackjack. Boat's taking a beating. Bump, 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 bump. Bottom out. Tried to get over to the side, but I couldn't. Oh, it's just shallow, but Shallow. Too shallow. Don't like the look of that thing. I'll just walk it. Oh, I've paddled it though. Bit a nice little stretch to paddle actually. Oh well. Oh, that's cold. It's just a shame there's so many coat hangers. Yay or nay? Blackberry to nay. Oh, nah, too much blackberry. Not worth the risk. Getting scratched. Up here. That's alright. For a minute. Good. Get it from here. It's the same. Last time that top section was just rubbish. Gets better as you get further down. Funny that. That rules all rivers. Hence why I'm using an old boat. Not bad. A little bit of blackberry. I should scooch next to it. Grab it a little bit. Play. Got a bit of water, I can feel it in the back from getting in and out, I think. Let's get to the bottom of this bit, drain off a bit of water. Got in front. Water there. Sucked by a hole, I don't think so. Oh. Good. We're good. Just a bit of water in there. That one will be. Come off, Adam. That way. Nope. Still not quite deep enough. A couple of days ago, I think, yeah. Would have been running high a few days ago. This would have been considerably easier or harder, depending on what you think of the records. I think it would have been easier. It's so shallow. But I knew that. Knew that coming out here. Just wanted to go for a paddle. I don't often go paddle this bit. First time this year, did one last year. I'm not a professional paddler, so, you know, I just do it occasionally. Any professional paddlers, I don't care if you think I'm doing it wrong, I'm doing it how I find it comfortable. Fast water with no real rapids, so it would have been better when it was a bit higher the other day. Okay. Things don't always line up. Busy. Bum, 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 bum. That was a good nip. Didn't see that one. Hello.
Hello.
How's things?
Good.
Went for a pit. Go for a swim, did you? Fresh, huh?
Hey, did you go down there?
No. Not enough water. Not enough water. I just bottom out and get bent in half.
Recording?
Yes.
Hello, sir.
What's up?
Are you a YouTuber?
Kind of. Sort of. Occasionally I'll upload something.
What's your channel?
Trail-ers. Just search South Temple Track and you'll find it. It's the easier way to do it. Cool. Have fun. Go over. Stick. This is the part I remember being very nice through here last time. Good to see some other people out enjoying the water. It's not the warmest day for a swim, but each their own. Much prefer to be in the boat than in the water. Definitely remember this bit being a lot nicer than the other bit. I only had to take the boat out once. I think it was at the same spot. Just a shame all the nice runs are just straight into strainers. Oh, I might have been able to avoid it. Yeah, I probably would have been able to avoid it. Oh well. Getting lazy with my entries and exits though. For sure, had enough. But this bit'll be nice. Nice cruisy paddle through the country. Paddle, paddle, paddle through the country. This was the nicest bit last time, so section here, and you get down this little run. There's the tongue out. Oh, not the best tongue. This tongue's over there. But that's fine. There you are. Bonk. Bottoms up. I can look around a bit. So, for perspective, the AMP ground's just over there. We're just coming up to the main highway, well, not State Highway 1, State Highway, can't remember, but the main highway that runs through Waimate. So, yeah, good fun. Go. And bottoms. Bottoms again. Bottoms. 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 Good though. Definitely the nicest, but I wonder if next time I'll just do this bit. Right under the bank. Lovely. So that's the main bridge up there. I think you should be able to see it. Overcorrected. Good. This bit might be interesting, because I was looking at it yesterday and it looks like the flow has changed from last time I did it. Last time I was able to paddle the whole bit from here under the bridge. Cargo's over top. Echo! But I don't know if I will be able to this time. Let's see. Not too keen on that, but not too much of a strainer. I just got to be gentle. And stick my boat away from the rocks. This. There we go. Easy. Oh no, run's still pretty good. Just need to get to the left. The swiftish. Yeah, like some shallow bits. Do not want to get caught in strainers. That is no fun. Sideways. Right, backwards it is. Spun on a rock. Spun on a rock. kids if they wanted their photos online. Probably do, to be honest. Avoiding strainer. Oh, that one I thought I could have gone over the top of. Whee! Oh, stop again. Stop again. Oh, that's a nice. Can I move this? No. Damn. Come on. Nice little drop. Cool. Some branches here. Go shallow side. Should be alright. Gone right, not left. Yeah, and here's the end, the ford. Which, as you saw, people go very fast through. So I am going to hop out before it. Very deep here though. Right, and off onto the grass. Right. See if I disappear up to my knees. Oh no, it's alright, I can deal with that. Oh, what did that take me? 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Not bad. Now the fun part, the run back, right? Right. Well, if I do put this up, hope you enjoyed it. Maybe we'll run to those kids and ask if they're okay if I get their likeness online. Sweet as. Cheers.